And the next thing to know is that we could diagram our relationships here. So often you'll see diagrams like this. Like one customer can have many dog ownerships. And these symbols, this notation might change depending upon your database system. And one dog, right, can have many owners. And one breed can be associated with many different dogs. We could have many Appenzellers, many Doberman Pinschers. And one stay, right? One dog can have many stays. And I'm going to erase schema here. One kennel can be used for many different stays. And we would use our programming logic to determine whether or not a kennel is available. Right? We check this date, range, what kennels are available. And one kennel type can be associated with many different kennels. We could have many Presidential Puppy Palace suites. And so here you're seeing how these keys are connected. And and here it gets a little bit messy. One activity can be associated with many different instances of exercise. And here we have dog ID again. One dog can be exercised many times. And EID is, we have exercise log ID. Where is EID?
It was an employee table.
Oh, employee table. Thank you. I didn't build it. See, my code wasn't self-documenting. I'm like, I don't know what E is. I already forgot. But if I'd called that employee EID, I would have been like, well, we don't have that table yet. Right? And that's how it's all connected. That's our schema of how our database is organized into tables and how all the tables are connected. And then what is this called? There's a name for it.
Unique ID?
It's unique ID. It's a description.
Field.
We could call it that, but the name that we hear most frequently associated with that right there is
Field.
key, primary key. It's a primary key. It has to be unique. What's it called when it's in another table? That's the foreign key. How many people feel like I actually know a whole lot about databases? Only one hand? Put them up. I'm kind of curious. How many people? That's it? Like only? Put them up. Let me see. How many people feel like I know a whole lot about databases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's most. I'm actually kind of surprised how much I know. I'm like, hey, I actually know quite a bit about databases. They asked me to teach this class. I'm like, oh man, I don't know how to teach that. It's turning out pretty well. I'm having fun. All right, take a picture of that. And you need to know what schema is.